Good morning, children. Let's continue with Science Lesson 3 Skeletal System and the Nervous System. In the previous class, we have started the topic skeletal system. We have seen the main parts of the skeletal system, which were the skull and the backbone. Today, we will see the rib cage and the limbs. Let's start with the topic rib cage. So, rib cage is the frame of bones that forms a cage-like structure in the region of chest, which is known as rib cage. The rib cage protects the heart and the lungs in our body. This rib cage is formed by 12 pairs of bones known as ribs. So all the 12 pairs of ribs are attached with the backbone. Backbone means रीढ़ की हड्डी. But only 10 pairs of ribs are attached to the breastbone, which is also known as sternum, which is present in the front. But only last 2 pairs of ribs are not attached to the sternum in the front, and they are known as floating ribs. As you can see in the diagram, that last 2 pairs are not attached and the remaining 10 pairs are attached to the sternum. Next topic is the limbs. So we have 2 pairs of limbs, the forelimbs or the upper limbs and the hind limbs or the lower limbs. That means our arms and legs. When we are talking about forelimbs, that means it is a pair of arms. And when we are talking about hind limbs, that means it is a pair of legs. So, the long bone in the arm, it is known as humerus, and the thigh bone in the leg, it is known as the femur. And this femur is the longest bone in the human body. So, the feet and the hands are made up of many smaller bones. Now we will talk about joints. So the place where 2 bones meet, it is called a joint. The substance or the tissue that joins 2 bones or holds together 2 bones in place, it is known as ligament. So children, we know that all the joints in our body are movable except the joints in the skull. The only movable joint in the skull is the lower jaw. So children, as we are talking about joints, so let us know about the different types and different kinds of movements shown in different types of joints. So let us start with the different types of joints. The first one is the ball and the socket joints. So this type of joint, it is found in the shoulder and the hip regions, and it allows movement in many directions. Many direction means in all the directions. This joint, it helps in movement like stretching, rotating, bending, etc. Now we will talk about the second type of joint, that is the hind joint. So this hind joint allows movement in only one direction, just like the movement of a door with hinges where the door moves only in back and forth direction. That means this joint is present only in the elbows, knees, fingers and toes. Now comes the third joint, pivot joint. So this type of joint, it is found between the skull and the backbone, which we'll see that we can move our head up and down and sideways because of this joint. And the fourth type of joint is the gliding joint, which we can see it in the ankles and the wrist. We can bend, turn and twist because of this type of joints. So children, for today this much only. Your assignment is to read the explained topic nicely, and if you have any queries, you can ask me in the campus care. Thank you.